And take a look at the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, power tailgate, power passenger seat, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.